Welcome back to the Old Top Mod Shop. Today I gotta plow snow again. We got a windstorm last night, so it blew a bit of snow on the driveway. Someone cleaned that up, and then it just kicked the crap right out of my tent shed. You can see over here. She's a little crooked. It's like it. This leg got ripped out of the ground. That one came loose. His bars came loose. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that now. We'll figure something out. But anyways, I'm gonna plow that snow quickly, and then I think we're gonna go for a little rip on the quad. Plow the snow real quickly. I'm gonna go for a little rip on the quad. Do some slides, you know. Some sliding. Alrighty, driveway's plowed, so I'm gonna light a fire quickly, get warmed up. We're gonna take this thing back out because the battery hasn't been charging enough when we're plowing. So we're gonna take it out and kind of just beat on it a little bit. That'll be fun. So yeah, start a fire, go ride the quad. I'm gonna get that fire started. See you guys in a little bit. Fire's burning. I'm warming up. already. I'm gonna warm up a little bit. That's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you're seeing, hit the like button. Let me know. Maybe we'll get the race squad fired up if it warms up one of these days, if that's something you guys are interested in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye.